Push it over.
Set it on the flat spot there.
What's the last spot?
You're all right.
Yeah.
Oops.
Get on there, hurry!
She did a little jump there at the end. Airborne.
What is that?
Probably a dog turd.
No, it's a something. Come on, let's see you do it again. You went down the wrong slide that time. You gotta make sure you set your sled on a flat spot.
It's gotta be neat for her being able to do this all by herself.